Meaning of Go Faster stripes.
Go faster stripes.
Go faster stripes.
Go faster stripes.
Go faster stripes. Go faster stripes is a term that refers to decorative stripes or decals applied to vehicles or other objects with the aim of making them appear faster or sportier. These stripes are typically designed to give an illusion of speed and agility, and are often associated with high-performance cars and racing vehicles. While the use of go faster stripes does not actually enhance the performance of a vehicle, it can serve as a visual cue that the object is designed for speed and performance. Ultimately, go faster stripes are a form of aesthetic customization that is meant to appeal to enthusiasts and automobile fans.